Well, this is Sharon from Sharon's Place. Thanks for joining me. This is the book by Jill Winger, page 256. This is what happened. After 24 hours, it rose to the top and pushed the top up. I'm going to have to put it in a different jar. So I chose a larger one. On the third feeding, you're to discard half of this. I have a larger jar right here. I can keep my discard in, and if I want to, I can feed that. All right, let's get started. I'm going to estimate about half and put it in here. The rest I will discard. And you know the drill. The flour goes in. That's all-purpose flour. The water goes in. You mix it well and cover it loosely. We'll mark it where the level is. Put it in a nice warm spot.